Hello friends, this is Mayuri Patel. Today we will see about the coefficient of correlation. So in last I have uploaded video for the normal probability curve which is exam related and which is very important. You can write down a notes directly from that. So today we will see about the coefficient of correlation. So let's start. First we will see the meaning of the coefficient of correlation. So the method of correlation is developed by the Francis Galton in 1885 and it is the relationship between two sets of score of variable. Many times we are checking we are using in a statistic or in a research we are seeing two variables. So how it will affect for an example, simple example if I will take, then because of practice teaching or because of video teaching, the knowledge of the nurses or students will increase. So you have to see that there are variable, dependent and independent variable, how it will affect to each other. That we will see in this. So definition of correlation: whenever two continuous characters are measured in a series or in a similar pattern such as weight and cholesterol, weight and height. So this relationship or association between two quantitative measured or continuous variable is a correlation. Means because of weight increase there will be an increase of cholesterol. Fine. So there is a correlation between two things. So that relationship and association we are seeing by the correlation. So definition of correlation of coefficient. So the extent or degree of relationship between two sets of figures is measured in term of another parameter is called the correlation of coefficient. Fine. So because one variable how it will affect to another and how much degree at what extent it will affecting, that we are seeing with the correlation of coefficient. So it is denoted by R. So let's see the types of correlation. First, perfect positive correlation where R is equal to +1. Next, perfect negative correlation where R is equal to -1. Next, moderately or low positive correlation, that is R is not less than 0, not more than 1. Next, moderately negative correlation where R is not greater than -1 and not less than 0. And absolutely no correlation means R is equal to 0. Okay, so perfect positive correlation, let's see in detail. If X and Y having a strong positive linear correlation, then R is also to be +1. So R value of exactly +1 indicate a perfect positive fit. So positive value indicate a relationship between X and Y variables such that as values for X increase, so values for Y increase, means one is increasing means another X is also increase. Let's see the example. Designation and salary. As designation increase, salary will increase, height increase, weight will increase, intelligence, if intelligence is increased, then achievement will be more. Fine. So this is perfect positive correlation. So this is the graph. R is equal to 1. Okay, let's see the perfect negative correlation. So if X and Y have a strong negative linear correlation, then R is also to be 2 minus 1. So means exactly -1 indicates perfect negative fit. So negative value indicate a relationship between X and Y such that as value of X is increased, value of Y is decreased. Means one is increasing, another is decreasing. The example, leniency of teacher and discipline among the students, means leniency of teacher will increase as that affect the discipline among students will decrease, means students will not be in discipline. Anxiety and performance, as anxiety increase, performance will be get down or decrease. Fine. Okay, this is the diagram for this perfect negative correlation. Okay, let's see about the moderately positive correlation. So if X and Y have a moderately positive linear correlation, that time R is not greater than 0 and not less than 1. So the R value is less than 1 but not 0 indicate a moderately positive fit. The moderately positive fit value indicate a relationship between x and y variables such that as value of x increase, if slightly affect value of y is also increase. Means somewhat is affecting but not perfectly. Okay, it will increase only. Fine. So example, correlation between IMR and the overcrowding. Fine. Next, this is the low positive correlation, that is R is equal to 0.3. Next is moderately negative correlation. In that same, R will be not greater than -1, but it is not less than 0. So moderately negative value means if X will increase, there will be slightly decrease of Y. So example is age and vital capacity in adult. There will be a slightly affecting vital capacity as age increase, vital capacity is decrease. Fine. This is the low negative correlation or moderately negative correlation. Okay. Next, absolutely negative correlation. That means no correlation. If no linear correlation or weak linear correlation is R is equal to 0. The value near 0 means that there is a random non-linear relationship between two variables. Example, habit of smoking and housing facility of person. There is no relationship between this. Then intelligence and height. If intelligence increase, height is increased. No, it is not like that. There is a no relationship between two variables. Fine. You can see this diagram. No correlation. R is equal to 0. Let's move to uses of correlation. It helps to determine validity of the test. It helps to determine reliability of the test. It indicates nature of the relationship between two variables. What is the nature? Then it helps to ascertain the traits and capacities of the. Now, method of computing correlation, that is the Karl-Pearson correlation coefficient. So it is used to measure the degree of linear relationship between two variables. So it is also called as Pearson's product moment correlation coefficient in honor of Karl Pearson, who is said to be honor of this method. So it is denoted by. So Karl Pearson correlation coefficient formula, that is R is equal to summation of x in bracket x minus x bar into y minus y bar bracket close, then divided by whole under root summation of x minus x bar square into summation of y minus y bar square. So x bar is equal to mean of x, y bar is equal to mean of. So let's see the calculation. So weight in kg 60, 70, 80, 90 and cholesterol 120, 130, 140, 150. It is mg per dl. Now we will keep this formula in this. Fine. So let's move. So this will be the, you can see this will be the x 60, 70, 80, 90 and y 120, 130, 40, 150. Fine. So this how I made. So first let's see. First what you have to do. You have to write down this formula. Fine. Now we need x bar, y bar. Fine. So first we have to search x bar. So x bar is equal to summation of x divided by n. So 60, 70 we can do like this. 60 plus 70 plus 80 plus 90 divided by n number of the values. So 300 divided by 4. So 75 is your x bar. Same way y bar, summation of y divided by n, 120, 130, 140, 150 divided by 4. So 540 divided by 4. So you will get y bar is equal to 135. Now you have to keep these formula, this you got. Now you have to do it. X minus x bar. So your x bar is 75. So you can say this 60 minus 75, 70 minus 75. Like this same way y minus y bar. And then here x minus x bar into y minus y bar. So this will be your total. Same way x minus x bar square. So you have to do what? 15 into 15, that is 225. Same way y minus y bar square. So this one 15 into 15. So you will get all this, and you have to write x minus x bar. This summation we have done, that is 500. Same way here also 500, here also 500. Why it is coming? Because it is perfectly correlation is there. Fine, let's see. Now we have to keep these values in this formula. So let's see. So x minus x bar, y minus y bar, total summation. Here this is 500. Then under root summation of x minus x bar square into summation of y minus y bar square. So you can see here x minus x bar square summation is 500 and y minus y bar summation square is 500. So we have to keep 500 into 500. So that is 2,50,000 under root. Fine. Next. So if 2,50,000 under root, we will see that will be the 500. So 500 divided by 500 is equal to 1. So 1 is the perfectly positive correlation. So hence there is a perfect correlation between weight and cholesterol level of patient in this example. This means that there was increase in cholesterol level with the increase in weight of the patient. Fine. So this is the example. You can see the other example in the books or in the net. Fine. Thank you so much guys to listening me. If you have any doubts, just contact me. Third year, please be active. If you don't know anything, just let me know. I can explain you again. Okay. Thank you guys. Thank you so much.